action.
Alright, so we're just feeding the dogs over here. We have to put them in this pen because the goats just keep getting in and disrupting all the food. Alright, so this is, we're disrupting your eating. This is Pee-wee. She's a football, as you can see. Then that's Pepper. Both of them are pygmy goats, and they're both very friendly. And that's our ram over there. His name is
Chuck,
but we call him Ram's Bottom. Then over there we got like some donkeys, a horse, and a little miniature horse. Then we got some more sheep and goats. And then we got our big quarter horse over there. Her name's Beauty. So, yeah.
cut.